Are you thinking about filing for asylum? Do you have a pending asylum case? Asylum cases are increasing, and we have to come together to ensure that these cases are represented well. Granting asylum is very different than deportation to a place of danger and peril. The question is, do you need an expert witness in your asylum case, or can you win your asylum case without one? Welcome everyone to another topic on the Ray Law International channel. I'm Anthony Ray. Today, let's find out what important role an expert plays in your asylum case. If you are legally considered a refugee, you can be given an immigration status called asylum. This is given to those who have suffered past persecution in their home country due to race, religion, nationality, or membership in a social or political group. If asylum is granted, then you will be granted lawful permanent residency, allowing you to stay in the U.S. Since this is such a privilege, the government requires the asylum applicant to prove the following: a well-founded fear of persecution on account of one of the 5 grounds: race, religion, nationality, social group membership, and political group membership, and where the persecutor, a governmental or non-governmental actor, is not controlled by an unable or unwilling government. Asylum cases are not easy to prove. For example, a well-founded fear is the standard above preponderance of the evidence, reasonable probability, which means the applicant must prove a clear probability of well-founded fear. We must also note that asylum is granted at the judge's discretion, so an expert witness will more than likely be crucial to the case. They can help the applicant prove the elements of asylum in order to have it granted. Expert witnesses can come in the form of country experts or subject matter experts. When they are country experts, they will focus on the country's laws, attitudes, or cultural practices. On the contrary, when they are subject matter experts, they will go into detail about the criteria surrounding asylum and what one suffers when they are refugees. They will give the judge the likelihood of harm and reasons for that statement. They will also share the services they will obtain here in the U.S., contrasting the persecution in their home country from which they have escaped. If asylum is something you want to discuss, please reach out to us. There are many forms that need to be sent into the government to apply for asylum, but Ray Law International is here to assist. Our experienced attorneys and staff help you determine your eligibility. We can also assist with locating expert witnesses, since we often represent clients with their asylum applications. Just remember, we are here for you. You have one shot at asylum. Don't risk this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for you and your family. Now, more than ever, it is important that you have an immigration attorney involved in your immigration case. Get the Ray Law Advantage. Get the information and knowledge you need to have peace of mind. Stay updated on immigration matters by subscribing to our channel and sharing these videos with friends and family. Did you subscribe? Great! Thank you for the privilege of your time. We'll see you next time. See you.